Hey, it's Clay Trading. This will be a video chart on ticker symbol BVTK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past several days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've done this analysis many times. That's where this red and green line is coming from. And just want to kind of do one last chart for the time being until, something happens. So what do I mean by something happens? Well, let me just extend the chart out like this to really kind of illustrate essentially what's happening. Whoops, not that far. What's happening. And that is the price is just simply stuck down inside of this channel. So, quote-unquote, something happening would either be a breakdown of the channel or a breakout of the channel. So, first part of something happening would be a breakdown. What would constitute a breakdown? Well, it's all about this green line right here. And these lines should sound familiar to you if you've watched the past videos I've done. But if not, the key level of support we've been tracking and the bottom portion of this channel is 0004. So if the price were to come down here and break to the downside, well, that would be a technical pattern breakdown, a victory for the bears. On the flip side of quote-unquote something happening would be a chart pattern breakout, and the pattern breakout, being that of a channel. And that's where 0008 comes into play. This has been, again, for those of you that have watched the past videos, we've been tracking, that level for quite a while. So that's 0008's role in all this is in regards to if the price can break up here and then get through it. That would be, again, a breakout. But until there's not really much to report from a charting perspective other than, well, yeah, the price is kind of just bobbing around inside of this channel. Now, if you are a scalper and you like to just quick day trade, yeah, then there's flipping opportunities within the channel. But as far as the big picture perspective and the overall quote-unquote story of the price, like I said, at this point in time, pretty much not much else to talk about until, something happens in regards to a breakout or breakdown. So that is where the chart currently stands. 0004 key level of support, 0008 key level of resistance. So we'll just sit back and see what happens.
One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.